Hey everybody, Oko here, and welcome back to our playthrough of Zelda The Legend of Link. It's very late here, but I thought that I would just take a little time to wander around a little bit. Let's see what we got in the 4th level. A dead end. Or is it? A key. We'll take that. I stocked up on some keys in the last episode. These guys turn into red bats. Oh, that was another key that we just picked up very quickly. What's up here? Another key. I'll follow all the open doors before I start using my keys. So far, the dungeon is pretty good. No dreadnoughts and no wizrobes. So, yeah. Things are looking good. No complaints so far. Another key. This must be like a key-themed dungeon. Oh my gosh. Well, that sucks. I don't want to get anywhere near the edge. Come here. Come here, blobs. Here we go. There we go. I want to kill this one, though, too. Maybe we can use my new, what if we can use this? Ugh. No. We have to know. Alright, we're alright. Alright, we had to check. If we got to see if we get anything from killing all the enemies in a room. So, what's up this way? Let's go up first. Alright, I want to go. I wonder what these guys are called. Let's look at the map. So, we can go up or right. I'm going to go up. I'm going to keep on going in one direction. Oh! Wait. I gotta get my... Gotta get my bombs ready. There we go. Should I test these? So we didn't get anything from that. Oh, I can bomb this wall here. Actually, let's go that way. Oh, lots of bombable walls. Oh, and a bunch of money. Take a little look here. I'm gonna go up. Up, up, up. I like to go up. Oh my gosh. Wow, I did it. I don't want to mess with that very much. So that way to the left was locked. But we can go this way. Walk into walls in 158. Walk into walls in 158. Oh, the first dungeon, the fifth and the 8th? Because in the first dungeon, that's where we walked through that wall. We did walk through a wall so that we could pick up that letter for error. I'm not going to go right because we don't need to waste. So I'll have to remember that so that in the next dungeon, level 5, there will be A walk through wall. Let's go this way. What's this? Oh! That wasn't too hard to find. So here is... Aha. So, I guess we should just go for it, huh? Let's see what we got in store for us. What do we have here? Oh, come on. Wait, what? There we go. We killed the dragon. So we got our heart container, and up here... There we go. We got the Triforce piece. So that wasn't too bad on our first time through. Yeah, we explored quite a bit of the 4th dungeon. And we were able to get the first Triforce piece. So there you go. But... as we all know, as we have learned in the past, there is an item. You don't need the item in order to... You do not need the item in order to finish the dungeon. So, we need to look around this dungeon until we finish opening it up. Yeah. We're going to find that item. So, I guess we'll just go up until we get to... that part where it splits. We can go this way. Let's go. Let's see what's here. A compass. Oh, there we go. That's good. We've already done all this, so let's just move on. Yeah, I like that like I said, I like that there's no dreadnoughts or whiz robes in this dungeon. That makes it a little more tolerable, that's for sure. Alright, let's go this way. Oh my god. Oh my goodness. Do I have to do this? I just don't... I can't. I just can't deal with that. Seriously. I will just... become a very sad man if I have to go through that. Oh, there's the map. Oh my god. Well, we haven't been up. We have not been up according to the map. What do we got in here? Wait a minute. Uh-oh. Oh, okay. So, we're back here. Uh-huh. There's got to be something here. Where should I go? Well, there's that one blacked out room below us. I guess we should make an attempt to go there. Mm-hmm. Don't! I knew they were gonna do that to me. Okay, I gotta get through this, I think. Oh, I have to get to the other side. Oh, look at this. What a mess. What a mess. No. Ah! Oh, it's so stupid. Oh, this... Come here, you. Just for the hell of it, I'm gonna go up here. Ugh. Come on. Okay, just have to check. Oh, they're all back? Darn. That sucks. But how am I gonna get to that? I better get this ready. I'm gonna just try and do this. Wow. Oh! Oh! I did it! Oh, that was scary. I hope I don't have to... No, Bobbles! Stay away from me. This is obviously... Yes, this has to be the item. Please be the item. It is. What is it? I don't know what that is. The hammer! There we go! Oh, let's save right away. There we go, the hammer. It looks really cool, too. I hope that that's an item that... Hold on, what happened? Okay, I can't switch to the item here. Let's just get out of here first. There we are. Can't... No, can't crush the baubles. But I'm hoping that this hammer will help with those mushroom things outside. We'll see. Anyway. Oh my goodness. Anyway, we've saved. So I just want to... Oh, one thing I wanted to experiment with. I wanted to see if the ocarina will take us to the entrance. Let's see what happens. Alright. Too bad. I thought maybe that would take us to the entrance. That would have been amazing. But, I think we can just die to get to the entrance, right? Because we're done. Save and continue. Yep, there we are. So, yep, now that we have our hammer, we will be seeing what we can do with that on the overworld and see where it will be taking us next. So, thank you everybody for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by clicking the link below. I'm Oko, and I'll see everybody on the next episode of our playthrough of Zelda: The Legend of Link. Thanks for watching, everybody. Bye for now.